Good morning, everyone. I'm Professor Tide, and today I will introducing you to an exciting topic in our business software applications course: how AI is transforming the way we create presentation. In just 10 minutes, we will explore how AI tools can save you time and improve the quality of your presentation. Before we dive in, I would like to ask you, how much time do you typically spend creating a professional presentation? Think about the last important presentation. Was it 2 hours, 4 hours, maybe even longer? And what challenges do you face in the process? Is it organizing your thoughts, designing attractive slides, or perhaps maintaining consistency throughout your presentation? These are common struggles that AI can help address. Let's examine the key challenges of traditional presentation design. First, content creation is incredibly time-consuming. Students often spend hours brainstorming ideas, organizing content, and creating slides from sketching. Second, there are the repetitive formatting work, manual adjustment of fonts, color, layout, and alignment across multiple slides creates inconsistency and wastes valuable time. Third, many students lack professional design training, resulting in basic or unprofessional-looking presentation. As you can see in the flow chart, the traditional process involved multiple bottlenecks and slow down your work and impact the final quality. AI offers great, powerful solutions to these challenges. First, rapid content structure generation. AI can instantly create logical outlines, suggest content organization, and generate professional text, reducing hours of work to just minutes. Second, automatically designed consistency. AI maintains visual coherence across all slides with consistent color, scheme, typography, and layouts without requiring manual adjustments. Third, professional quality enhancement. AI applies design professional and best practice automatically, even evaluating the overall professional qualities regardless of your design skills. The chart clearly shows that dramatic time saving when compare traditional methods to AI-assisted approach across content creation, design, and revisions. Today, I will introduce you to two powerful AI tools that can transforming your presentation workflow. Manners is an AI writing and structuring assistant that helps generate content and ensure logical flow. It generates structured outline in seconds, refined English sentence for clarity, create professional content from simple prompts, and is perfect for EMI teaching content presentation. Gamma is an AI presentation design generator that transforms content into visual, appealing slides. It creates professional designs automatically, maintains visual consistency across slides, offers multiple design themes and templates, and allows easy customization of generate slides. These complementary tools work together to address the challenges we identified earlier. Let's compare the traditional and AI-assisted method step by step. In the traditional method, we would brainstorming content ideas 30 to 60 minutes. Create outline and structure 30 to 45 minutes. Design slide template 20 to 30 minutes. Add content to slide 45 to 60 minutes. Format and publish presentation may be about 30 to 45 minutes. But for the AI-assisted method, you can see the different input topic to AI assistant just 1 to 2 minutes. AI generate content structured maybe about 2 to 30 minutes. Select design themes 1 to 2 minutes. AI create consistent slide just take about 3 to 5 minutes. Review and customize maybe just about 10 to 15 minutes. Let me demonstrate how to use manners for content creation. The process is simple. First, input your topic. The second, AI generate structure outline. Third, English content optimization. Four, explore the ready-to-use content. And for the Gamma, we can see the first one is import manners content to Gamma. The second, select the design themes. Third, AI create consistent slide. Let me show the software of that. First, for the manners, I can input the content like I am preparing a presentation on an AI-related topic. I am demonstrating how manners and Gamma can be applied to create effective presentation. Please suggest a suitable topic. Then it will show me some suggested topic, like the rise of multi-model of AI. And the tool generate AI is an enterprise automation from code generation to autonomous agents. And then you can select one of that, and I will give it some my my idea, and then they will give you the content for more, and part 1, part 2, part 3. So finally, after I have read all of that, I think the outline is okay, and I will suggest then the main manners for me to build to have a presentation file, and the manners will work for me. This is the first manners to build output of the manners slide, and you can see this is the final result. We can push this file and see this is the result of our AI generate slides. This is the first page, and we can present like this. This is the first page. Okay, this is the first page of that, and then we can show the second page, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, conclusion. So the results, the quality is great, and they have some good quality in this file, and you can download this like that. You can show that, and you can download by this for the PPTX format like this. Okay, and for the other tools, log in the Gamma, and you can generate this, and choose the English language, and input some words for you to generate the slide. So like me, please help me generate a 10-page English presentation. Introduce the Gamma AI presentation tool. And the first one, generate the outline, and the tools is like this. It will help you to generate the outline. If you want to change that, you can change it directly. If you think it's great, so you can choose the visual style and some image art style here. So finally, you can push this, generate. So you will have a presentation slide. The Gamma tools will help you to generate the slide. Just maybe 30 to 40 seconds. So this is the result of that. If you want to present, so you can just push here. So the result is generated now. So you can finish the result quickly, and you can think more about the content of that. So if you want to present, you can push this directly, and you can present here the second page, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So finally, if you want to download, you can push here and export the PowerPoint file format. Okay, so you will download for a PowerPoint file and you can present, you can revise that. This is the two good tools of this. The conclusion of the future outlook. As we conclude today's presentation, let's summarize the key points we have covered about the AI-powered presentation. First, the problem, why we need the change. Traditional presentation presents significant challenges with goal setting and target audience alignment. These fundamental issues affect how effectively we communicate with our message. Second, the tools. What solutions are available? We've explored how AI tools help us structure our topic, create a logical outline, and generate professional content in fraction of the time it would take manually. Third, the method. How to implement these tools by using manners for content development and structure, then Gamma for professional design and visual consistency. You create a streamlined workflow that dramatically improve both efficiency and quality. Looking to the future, we can expect four major trends. AI-human collaboration will become the standard practice in presentation creation. Our focus will shift from design concerns to content quality. We will see truly personal presentation created at scale. Cross-language presentation creation will break down communication barriers. Remember this key insight. AI not only accelerates presentation creation, but also enhance professional quality. The future of business software application will integrate human creativity with AI efficiency. Thank you for your attention. Are there any questions about implementing these AI tools in your own presentation workflow? Okay, bye-bye.